Have you been looking for a tool to help improve your skincare routine? Facial cleansing brushes are designed to be used with your favorite face washes. They're also made from cruelty-free synthetic silicone, earning them a well-deserved spot on your vanity table. Face cleansing brushes provide an overall deeper cleaning effect, paving the way for serums and creams to better settle in the skin. Simply wet your brush, apply your preferred face cleanser, and rub your face gently in round strokes. The outcome? Brighter, smoother skin suitable for other beauty products. Since every skin type has specific needs, face cleansing brushes aren't a single-handed solution for achieving healthy and clear skin, but they are useful for working toward it. We compiled a list of the highest-rated facial cleansing brushes in 2023 that you can trust. Number 2. Visifo Facial Cleansing Brush. The 360-degree rotating Visifo Facial Cleansing Brush will perfectly complement your beauty routine. It's powered by 2 AA batteries and has 2 speeds that can be adjusted to suit different skin types. This facial cleansing brush can help you prioritize spa-quality facial care wherever you go. With 7 brush types, including a soft wash, deeper pore cleansing, exfoliation, the removal of calluses and black spots, and more, this product offers everything you need for thorough skin treatment. The best part about this facial cleansing brush is that it's USB rechargeable, so you won't have to stand beside an electricity port to use it. The extensive battery will last for almost 20 days after 3 hours of charging, making it the best overall option on the list. Number 2. Olay Facial Cleansing Brush. The Olay Regenerist Facial Cleansing Brush features a scrubby brush surface for spotless clean skin. 2 different settings, one for everyday cleaning and another for thorough exfoliation, help you remove makeup and provide thorough cleaning for your face. Its scrubby surface cleans and softens skin pores to produce an anti-aging and polished effect. Olay says its cleaning brush is water-resistant, making it safe to use in the bathtub or shower. It's also simple to use. Rub cleaning solution on your skin and swirl the device around your face for 60 seconds while it's moist to remove makeup from any skin type with ease. The dual-speed settings have also got you covered for removing thick makeup coverage. The head of this brush rotates at a speed of 350 rotations per minute to give your skin a relaxed feel. Number 3. Easy Basics Facial Cleansing Brush. Give your skin a deeper and cleaner wash with the Easy Basics Facial Cleansing Brush for a beautiful glow. This cutting-edge face exfoliator has magnetic charging gear and a recharging capability. It provides deeper cleaning due to 5 variable intensities. Made of hypoallergenic and extremely robust silicone, the brush works like magic for all skin types. The face cleansing brush's IPX7 watertightness can be used in the shower and bath. Face massage every time you use your watertightness sonic face cleaner to clean while it increases collagen and boosts circulation. The face cleansing brush effectively reduces fine lines and wrinkles, restores skin inverted exclamation mark macron-s firmness. The oval-shaped silicone rubber is equipped with a hygienic function that promotes a soothing and smooth facial cleaning and skin massage. Don't be hesitant to jump into the tub with your makeup on, as the IPX7 water resistance keeps this pick running underwater as well. It also has a long-lasting battery with a full charge lasting 3 hours or 200 uses. Number 4. Foreo Facial Cleansing Brush. The Foreo Luna Mini 2 Facial Cleansing Brush can deep clean your skin in as little as a minute. This palm-sized facial cleaning brush gives you a spa treatment at home and is tested and certified to eliminate up to 99.5% of dust, oils, dead cells, and leftover makeup. This makes it easier for serums and moisturizers to penetrate pores to treat acne and brighten skin. Constructed from hypoallergenic silicone, this product is 35 times cleaner than nylon. It doesn't need brush head changing, something you will enjoy if you have ever used a nylon bristle cleansing brush. With various sized, soft touch points positioned all over the device, the brush transmits up to 8,000 pulses per minute for thorough cleansing of all skin types. Number 5. Closivxi Facial Cleansing Brush. The Closivxi Facial Cleansing Brush has 4 heads and a compact travel bag to satisfy all cleaning needs. The brush features 2 speed settings and a solid circular rotation, allowing you to easily select between deep washing and light exfoliation. The rolling massage head is equally safe for sensitive skin as well. It couples with a softer rubber cap that gently cleanses and massages acupoints for better, healthier skin. The cutting-edge face washing technique removes debris, makeup buildup, and oil from pores while preventing acne. Every skin type can benefit from the gentle surface washing provided by its soft nylon brushes. You can also use this brush in the shower due to its water resistance capabilities, but make sure to keep the battery compartment from submerging in water.